Hi, in today's episode of Know Your Hair by HADDAI, I'm going to talk to you about a front patch, like a cover for receding hairlines. Now, this is used normally to when you have a receding hairline on the sides of your head. As you can see, I have put one on my forehead right now. I will take this off for you and show it to you. So I have put it over my forehead here, so it has become smaller. Maybe you can notice a change, but otherwise what we do is, this is the front patch cover. So you can use some glue or tape to fix it into your hair, and that will give you, for those of you who have a receding hairline, this front strip can be used. So it depends on what type of hair you have. This only covers the receding hairline and your front natural hairline. So you can get something that is more closer to your hair type and texture. Example, if it's curly hair, you should go in for curly hair. If it is straight hair, you should go in for straight hair. Also, we need to match the color 100% to your existing hair. And then this can be applied with glue or tape, and it is used for the front hairline, for the receding hairline, and to cover front baldness. Anywhere that you have a front baldness, you can use it for that. So this is very useful in terms of say those of you, or even if you have a very, now you can see my forehead is fairly narrow, but if you have a very thick forehead, a larger forehead, you can also use this to cover that as well. So basically with this little piece here, you can show you the other side as well. There you go. So with this piece, you are able to cover the entire front section of your hair. Remember, this is not a wig or a toupee or a top or anything like that. It is only useful, like I said, if you have a receding hairline here, your hairline, your forehead is very large, and you want to get in like a fringe or something like that. Some people use these fringe extensions as well, where you don't want to cut your own hair and your forehead is rather large, so we can put in a front piece like this, and then we can cut the fringe. It's totally undetectable. Of course, like, you'll have to match it to your own hair and color. We do that as well as HADDAI for you after consultation as to what the look and style you want. So it is a very useful piece in our human hair collection, because it can be used for many things, like I said, like front fringes, to cover the receding hairline, to cover when there is like a deep going in of the hair loss on the sides. It can be used for men and women as well, so it's like very versatile in that sense. So if you're having some concerns about your front hairline or like receding hairline, you can always go and speak to your hair technician. Extensions and things like that won't work for this. It will have to be either a topper or a front hair piece if it is a small area that you need to cover. So hope this was helpful. Until we meet again with more episodes of Know Your Hair by HADDAI. Thank you for watching, and leave your comments, and if you have any queries, you can always contact us. Feel free to contact us. So until we meet again, thank you again. Take care. Bye.